Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Tatjana from Garnet Beauty and Art, and in today's video we are going to do a beautiful design with a puddle pour, and hopefully it will be an amazing crackling effect finish. So I have pre-mixed already my resin, which is 1:1 ratio, and we are going to use different colors: yellow, green, golden color, black and white. And I'm just putting my resin in small silicone cups where we're going to mix our beautiful colors for our design. And for the main color we are going to use a green color, and it will be a beautiful solid color, and it's like a full-on color. I'm adding just 5 drops of this color. I have mixed it and then decided just add a couple of more drops to make it a bit more intense color. As you can see, it's beautiful bright color, but after mixing it just needed just a couple of drops to give it a bit of more intense color. So now I'm all happy with this color, just adding a couple of more drops and then it will be all as it should be, nice and bright. And it's just a little bit see-through, but it's really beautiful color. So just make sure you mix it really well, as well as mixing the colors before adding to the resin. For the next one we are going to add our black currant color, which is nice black and it is see-through color. So I'm adding about 7 drops, 6 to 7 drops, mixing well, and just see if color is dark enough. For this one I don't want it to be really dark, so I'm all happy. Next one we're going to add our yellow, and this color is amazing. It's like a really bright, like a sunflower color, and as you will see now when I'm mixing it, it's really intense color, beautiful bright color, and hopefully with a combination of green it will be something magical. So again, make sure it's really good mixed. And for the next one we are going to use a white color, which is ocean white, and I'm just adding like a bulb of this one. And when you're mixing the white color it will be quite light milky color. This is exactly what we need for our design. Again, make sure it's really good mix on the sides as well. And for the last one we are going to use a golden mica color, and I love this color. It gives like a really beautiful shimmery, like a holographic look. I just in love with a mica, and I think it gives your design like a really beautiful effect. And you can see it's full on color, really like a proper gold color. It's not a see-through. With the mica powder, make sure it's really well mixed so you don't have any powder left, otherwise it can float on your resin and can leave like a powdery like a dots on your design. So I always double mix my color, so I'm just mixing my green color again. As our green color is the main color for our design, I will start with this one. And as I mentioned before, we're going to do a puddle pour. This is when you just adding all colors in the middle. And with this design I will be using 3 rounds where we'll be putting the color. So I'm not putting all of the green, just using one part, and it's still left for two parts to go after. Just going over quickly with a torch to remove the bubbles. Then we are going to add our white, and as you can see I always double mixing our color before I'm adding them to my design. white one again in the middle nicely, and then we're going to add a black color, again just a mix, and black in the middle of the white. And I'm going to go over with a heat gun again after to make sure it's bubble free. Make sure you go really nice and quick to not overheat your resin or damage your mold. Then we're adding our yellow color, again nice and quick, just in the middle of the coaster. And to finish we'll go with golden color. And after this we are going to repeat again, putting all colors same order we done before, just going over with the torch again. After, when I will do all colors, I will go over with a heat gun as well, with a combination heat gun and torch. It really helps the colors to start spreading. Beautiful gold color in the middle. And then we're going over again. We're going with a green color. And I'm still leaving a little bit in my cup to do the third round. And the white color. And again, everything goes nicely in the middle. And then the black color. And then after black, we'll do yellow and gold color. And you can see already how beautiful colors start moving around and mixing together. So then we're going to add the gold color. And for the last one, I'm just adding all the rest of the colors I have left, again just in the middle of our coaster to finish our beautiful design. And then we will be all done. I have a little drop of the clear just go in the middle as well. And you can see how colors already white starting to moving to the middle, and the green and yellow mixing together. They are just beautiful colors. So I'm just going over with a torch. I will be going, as I mentioned before, a few times with a heat gun as well and with a torch, just to help colors to move. I will put it in a time lapse so you can see how colors are moving. And we'll see you later for demolding to see what creation we just made. Thank you very much and see you shortly. Hello everyone and welcome back, and it's time to demold our beautiful design we done yesterday. And look at this beautiful combination of the green colors and how amazingly it's spread. I've been doing a puddle pour for this design, and I really hope to see like a beautiful crackling effect. So let's demold it and see what we've got on another side. Just open it nicely. And I've got my crystal mold as well, so it should be beautiful sides. Wonderful. I really do like this side. Look how, and the golden mica, look how beautiful it gives additional like definition for this one. Okay, are you ready? Let's have a look. That's so beautiful. That's so cool. Look at this beautiful shimmery design. And the green color, it's really like a soft and bright. Oh my god, I really like it. I really like it. What do you think about this one? Oh, that's a really cool one. And this is the other side. And crystal mold with crystals on the side. I'm really pleased with this one. I hope you like, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave me some comments. What do you think about this design and the colors? And see you really shortly. Thank you very much and bye for now.